Alright guys, I want to show you my condo. Actually, it's more like a house at this stage. This is the living room. We're going to be moving in here next week onward. So this is the living room. You can probably see. Yep, so this is obviously very huge space. I'm going to take this space out to do content. Probably having the working desk here facing that way. There's a lot of decoration space here and a lot of backlight, which I like. All this stuff, you can decorate it however you want. Look at the view. This is Bangkok view, and this is Asok area. So this is right in the heart of Bangkok. Got really nice setup with the lamps and everything. This is our second bedroom. I'll show you the first bedroom in a bit. Quite big. This is actually very big on in Bangkok standard. And we have our wardrobe here. We also have upper wardrobe. If you want to put like anything out there. Lastly, we have our master bedroom. We go in here and quite dark right now. Right, so we have our closet here again, and we have our walk-in closet. So all of this is just like a bunch of different spaces, walk-in closet, right? We have a smart mirror here. This is where you do your makeup, your hair dryer, and all that stuff. And you have this view again next to the four-wing hotel. This is the view of Brompong, right on, and this is really spacious for the master bedroom. The bed can be a little bit bigger, honestly, to be honest. Master bedroom have its own toilet here, so this is also the ensuite bedroom for a bathroom for the thing. Right, not too shabby, but right next to the bedroom, which is very convenient. This is the master bedroom. Walking back to the living room, this is the second toilet. Right, second toilet. Obviously, the master bedroom has its own toilet. Yep, we got our second toilet, which is there to do its job. Pretty, standard. Our kitchen here. We have our fridge. We have a balcony here. You can have a chair here, but again, like it's a little bit noisy with all the washing machine and aircon. But this is definitely, among one of the. I mean, like, it's an alright place to actually sit down and chill in the evening, right? And then we have a fridge here, brand new fridge. We have a third bedroom, lastly, which is spare room. You could do anything with it. Yeah, with the view. And that is the third bedroom. Alright guys, let me know what you think of the room and how much I'm paying for it. And let me know in the comment whether you would spend money on an big space like this in central Bangkok, or maybe at the beachfront near Pattaya or Phuket City. Are you more like a city person or a beach person? Definitely a big step from my current place, and hopefully you guys get some perspective of what is available in Bangkok. Next stop is going to be a penthouse.